get 50% discount. Hi to all my YouTube family. So new place and new adventure. So right now I'm at Al Seef. So I don't know what is it, but it's looking like a monument and buildings are the old architect of UAE, Dubai. I'm just loving it. You will love the video as well. So be there and like, subscribe and comment on my YouTube channel. If you like it, it will be good for me. If you don't like it, it will be good for me. Thank you. Very peaceful place. Wind is blowing, and the second thing, the most important, you can enjoy the monuments and you can get the history of UAE. But there are many locals, Pakistani locals, they're owning the shops and running a business, so buy from them and get a huge discount as well. So you can check it out. The old architect, wooden work everywhere. Yeah, girls want to do matching always, matching shoes, matching accessories, and we have a friend. And she, how are you, ma'am?
Hi, good. I'm good.
Are you loving the atmosphere?
Oh, sure.
And how you get matching abaya and matching dress in the matching paint of that walls as well?
Because before coming here, I watch on YouTube about this environment.
Okay. So we are looking forward for it. So let's. What's new over here? So ये पूरा एक बाज़ार है और यहाँ पे बहुत कुछ है देखने के लिए, ख़रीदने के लिए. You can, yeah? What is? Can you explain what is it?
This is a tradition of UAE, I guess.
It's a, oh yeah, you're right. Carpets भी available हैं और ये सब पाकिस्तान से और अफगानिस्तान से यहाँ पे आ रहे हैं. Yeah, I will charge $1,000.
Sure.
Okay.
You can charge me.
Yeah, sure. There are the caps as well. There are many dresses as well, and the cap as well. There's a shop. Pakistani products are also available. I think so. Yeah, biscuits and all that stuff are available here, just like a store. These are clothes. These are just kind of Pakistan dresses, and you can check it out. Lala, inshallah, I will try after Aftari. Already dead. Inshallah. What's the price of this so I can tell my YouTube channel? 100 for what? For us from Pakistan. We are Pakistan, and people from Pakistan will watch my video.
5,000.
5,000? Why?
Pakistan has too much.
Oh. Lala, everyone is not corrupted. Imran Khan, Lala, Imran Khan, then everyone who did the corruption, he cut his head. Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan.
Oh, Lala, फिर ठीक है यार. उर्दू च गल करो तुसी ऐਵੇਂ अंग्रेजी. All the lamps available, amazing lamps, just like beautiful like me. Lamps are really good for the light and good for the room as well. You can check it out, guys. Amazing. Check it out, the camels, the Arabic tribe. So, think you like it?
I guess so. It's cute, huh?
Yeah, it's cute, like me.
This is like you.
Yeah. You want to show what is it?
This is like you.
Oh, thank you, God. Yeah, I'm a pretty very well. It was one of the best Starbucks, unique Starbucks, but unfortunately due to Ramadan, they have outdoor sitting. I'm in a Starbucks, so what I can say कि रमज़ान है तो मैं तो कुछ नहीं ले सकता, लेकिन ये जो मेरी आज फ्रेंड है उसने कॉफ़ी पीनी है. मैं तो अंदर आया हूँ अपना ज़रा कूल डाउन हो जाऊँ, ज़रा इन्वायरमेंट चेंज करूँ क्योंकि बाहर बहुत गर्मी है तो एकदम से टेम्परेचर एकदम से हाई हो गया. और दूसरा ये स्टारबक्स बहुत यूनिक. शी वांट टू ड्रिंक समथिंग बट शी वांट टू ड्रिंक फ्रॉम मी एज वेल, बट आई एम ऑन फास्ट. So it's okay, you could drink yourself. There's a shop as well. Hello brother, how are you?
Good afternoon.
Where are you from?
Oh, available.
Available, Lala, I'm the Habibi. So everything is available over here. ये वो चीज़ें हैं जो पाकिस्तान में अवेलेबल नहीं होती, ये इराक से ईरान से आई हुई हैं. So you can check it out. So brother, hi to my YouTube channel as well, and he's from Afghanistan as well, right? And his shop is really amazing. Do visit and try. Will you give discount to my people who will come at this your shop?
Okay.
How much? 5 or 10%? 15? Yeah, 15%. Thank you. Oh, for Pakistani. Guys, if you come this spot, you will get 50% discount. Check the face of the brother. He said that. So go and rob this shop, just 50% discount.